Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to replace passenger side mirror 2015 Nissan Rogue. Start by parking on a flat surface and wearing gloves. Next, gather parts and tools including the replacement mirror, screwdrivers, and a 10 mm socket. Remove the interior trim carefully to access mounting bolts and the electrical connector. Keep bolts organized and test the new mirror before reattaching trim to ensure proper fit and function. Begin removal by peeling back the interior trim near the mirror to reveal the mounting area. Use a trim tool or flat screwdriver to ease clips without breaking them. Once access is clear, unplug the mirror electrical connector by pressing the tab and pulling firmly. Support the exterior mirror with one hand while loosening the 3 mounting bolts with a 10 mm socket to prevent the mirror from falling off the door. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like so you see more repair tips. Quick recommendation: a book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about saving and spending, making it easier to budget for parts like replacement mirrors without stress. I use it to plan small repairs and bigger upgrades. Check the description for the book link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Align the replacement mirror with the mounting studs and hand thread the bolts to avoid cross-threading. Reconnect the electrical connector and gently test mirror adjustment, heating, and any folding features while the door is still open. Tighten the bolts evenly to a snug fit, not over-torqued, then reinstall the interior trim, ensuring all clips engage. Finish by testing mirror functions from the driver's seat to confirm proper installation and alignment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.